Kia ora, old BinkyT here with a rapid escape. Tired of the same old views? Press pause on that daily grind. I'm taking you on a 4K first-person forest amble in the beautiful Hanmer Springs. Want to know what you can discover here? Stick with me and I'll show you why this is the spot you need to see. Here's our route for today. This amble is a beautiful trail loop through the heart of Hanmer Springs Forest. Hanmer Springs Heritage Forest. On this forest we have a forest amble walk, which is apparently full of lots of cool sculptures. That's not a sculpture, that's a real tree. Something super cool about this is the trailhead is only about 5 minutes out from Hanmer Springs Township, so it's super convenient to get here. You can just park up and head straight to the track. Here are our squirrels. These are a memory of Andy Clayton. Found my next dog. Let's go. Off we go. Why didn't they name the dog Andy Clayton? As we continue our walk, you'll start to see these amazing art pieces hidden among the trees. These sculptures are a part of a project celebrating local artists and the natural environment. Oh wow, I thought it was badminton shuttlecocks to start with. It's a Fantail or a Piwakawaka in Māori. Ooh, that's a bit creepy, isn't it?
Yeah, I got freaked out.
Hey birdie.
That's more like a bear, isn't it?
I say, hey birdie, it's a bear. And because it's got that chain around its neck, it kind of reminds me of those Save the Animal ads. Remember, it's an opossum. Creepy. Pinus nigra va licricio. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong.
Corsican pine.
AKA pine tree. Pine. Yeah, but look at the size of that thing. Holy crap.
Oh, with the creepers in it.
Creepers. Give you an idea of how big this is. That's my hand on that little piece of bark. My lovely blue plaster. This is a European lark. Look at the scales on that thing. Man. In saying that, I've seen somebody's feet that look pretty bad like that. Whoa. That is a... what is this? Look at that bad boy. Oh, all of this ivy looks absolutely glorious. Really lights up the forest. The only evergreen around here. One of the best things about this track is how accessible it is. It's a really easy walk. It's perfect for families, a day out, or just a gentle stroll. I'm on a really well-maintained gravel path, so you don't need any serious hiking gear. Look at that. Cool. Here's a little mouse. Hello. Over here we have our eagle. This guy's big. Or is it a phoenix? It's a phoenix. Oh, picnic spot. Neat. Continuing along our forest amble, I found a dog. Wow, that's very pretty. This is George. Kind of creepy how they kept it hairy. I never knew that Easter Bunny had anything to do with mushrooms. Hello, Peter. You are a scary looking Peter. It is a lizard. Tuatara? You look like a grumpy wee thing. Look at this face. Magical. This place is super cool. Highly recommend it. It's also like just a no effort walk, you know. It's a sleepy dog. Ah, or is it a sheep, a lamb? Could be anything. Is it a dog? I don't know. A bird. It's an owl. Hooty hoo. Look at these. Look at these. These are just creepy.
Oh, talons, huh?
Made of copper, so they are actually a little bit sharp. Yeah, you can see the designs on the back here. Quite cool. Exit to main entrance and dog sculpture. Say goodbye. Thank you so much for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and check out that next video. YouTube thinks it'll be right up your alley.